One of the biggest mistakes a store owner can make is not having a backup. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to secure your entire Shopify store's data for free. And hey, if you're just starting out and want to learn how to build a professional store from scratch, make sure to check out my dedicated Shopify Masterclass in the cards right above. First, let's back up our inventory. Head over to Products in your dashboard. At the top right, click Export. Make sure to select All Products and CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. Hit Export, and Shopify will send a download link for your entire product catalog directly to your registered email. Next, we need the customer list. Go to Customers, click Export, and select All Customers. Again, this arrives via email. Finally, let's save your design. Go to Online Store and Themes. Click the three-dot menu next to your active theme and select Download Theme File. This ensures that all your custom sections and CSS are safe. If you ever need to restore this data, maybe you're moving to a new store or a mistake was made, the process is just as simple. Instead of export, you'll click Import in the respective sections, upload those CSV files you saved, and Shopify will start the restoration immediately. Now that's the free manual method. But if you want a set it and forget it solution, you should look into Rewind Backups. You can find it in the Shopify App Store. It's a dedicated backup app that automates everything daily. Pricing typically starts around $9 to $19 per month. Whether you choose the manual way or an automated app, just make sure you have a backup today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to WebTrack. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you later, alligator.